Victoria School, Year 10 Mathematics, Episode 3.
Strand 1. Function. Substrand, linear and quadratic function.
Study and describe functions and its related concepts.
Achievement indicators. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to
identify different types of functions,
indicate properties of the different types of functions.
Quadratic functions. Quadratic functions are those whose graph is a parabola. The highest power in any quadratic function is 2. That means the power in a letter or variable in the function will have the highest power of 2. Some examples of quadratic functions. Y is equal to x squared plus 1. F of x is equal to 3x squared minus 2. 2y squared minus 4 is equal to 2x. Y is equal to x squared over 3. You will see that the highest power, as highlighted in red, in x or y is 2. Therefore, all these functions are quadratic. Note, f of x is just the same as y. The general equation of a quadratic function is written as y is equal to x squared. Again, as in linear function in the last episode, the x is independent and the y is dependent. The graph of a quadratic function would be a parabola curve. Example, y is equal to x squared. If x is independent, then we choose our x values. In this case, we choose negative 2, 0, and 2 as our x values. Then the y values would be calculated as, if x is negative 2, y will be equal to negative 2 squared. That will give us negative 2 times negative 2, therefore our y will be 4. If x is 0, that will give us y is equal to 0 squared. And that will also give us y is equal to 0. If x is 2, y will be equal to 2 squared, which will give us 2 times 2. That will give us y is equal to 4. Then our coordinates would be negative 2, 4, 0, 0, 2, positive 4. Sketching the graph. Our coordinates is negative 2, 4, 0, 0, and 2, positive 4. As shown in the diagram, the graph shown is a parabola curve. Note, the graph shows a curve when we in the 3 coordinates. That is a parabola curve. The properties of a quadratic function would be, the graph of the function would be a parabola curve. The highest power in any variable or letter in the function would be 2. Activity. Sketch the following quadratic functions. Y is equal to x squared plus 1. Y is equal to 2x squared. Give your answers by emailing me on wamerokomatu@gmail.com or comment below the video.
End of lesson, episode 3.